Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm alright.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Robin's Nest again. Sorry, our videos are really kind of out there sometimes. Half the time we're doing stuff and we completely forget. So I quick grabbed hubby's phone here because we're working on a new project. Because you know we don't have enough, right? So as we mentioned in a previous video, we are actually getting ready to go on a road trip for our new little babies. How many babies we getting, honey?
Next week,
Yeah.
at least 1,600.
Yes, you heard that correct. 1,600 baby birds. That's not including the ones we find that we really like and end up getting as well. So we're working on a project right now. Well, David's doing more of the work. I'm just kind of sitting here.
Playing with my phone.
Playing with the phone. We are making a water trough.
Nope.
But it's not like a trough like you would expect.
It's not a trough.
It's going to have these little nipples on it that'll actually be hanging from the bottom. And the babies will be able to come up and get their little drinks. We won't have to worry about them falling into a bowl or a trench or anything like that. But they'll have plenty of water.
This nipple does not want to go in. Don't you hate it when that happens? It just may be a tick too big. Nope, goes into that one good. Basically, we're going to be trying to emulate a system that professional chicken coops use, where they use the nipple, where the chicken reaches up overhead and presses the button, the metal tip on the nipple, to drink from. We're coming to the realization that last year we had 500 chicks, and it was a pain in the neck to keep the water containers full of clean, drinkable water. So we're going to go to this. And the main water line is going to have a reservoir. We're going to have a reservoir over there, and it'll pipe into these two PVC pipes. I have close to 50 nipples on them for watering, and hopefully they don't go through more than 55 gallons a day, because that would be a lot of chicken pee in here.
Yeah,
but either way, we'll have a bigger container. They won't get food. They won't get wood chips in it. They won't poop in it.
hopefully a lot cleaner.
So it'll be a lot cleaner. And all I did is I drill a hole in. This hole for these size nipples is 7/16. And if Robin can show right down the line, it's right down the middle of this pipe. I used the printing on it for reference, and I checked, yes, it is the middle. And we put these in. Right down the middle. I got them about every 6 inches apart. And then when I'm done with this, we'll go out and we'll test it to make sure it doesn't leak. We'll do the other pipe, join them together, then we'll work on the actual hose from the tank into the piping. And hopefully I can get this done today. They are supposed to just screw in. And I'm wondering if this hole for some reason is too small.
Yeah.
That's weird.
It's giving you fits, isn't it?
Same with that one. See, it was these two. I'm going to have to go back with the drill. See? Goes right in.
That one's doing good.
For some odd reason. These were done on a Monday. Without coffee.
Gotta love Mondays. But anyway, we're working on a couple of videos today. We're going to be messing around with our video, what do you call that?
Editor.
Editor, that's it. And I wanted to give you guys a little bit of what's going on. Like I said, we're not the best at remembering to grab the video camera. So I saw a chance and took it. We'll see you guys again in a little bit.